So today we have got a package to unbox. But first, so now let's open the package. Unnecessary stuff. Unnecessary stuff. Necessary stuff. So I know now all of you know what have I ordered from Amazon, but now for the video at least I should say, guys, I've ordered a drone. So before I destroy the box and get the drone out of it, let's check it out. So at the front you have the company's name, which is Shift, and they've written the perfect small. This is the controller for the drone, and this is the drone itself. At the bottom left it's written highlight pack, and if you move to the left, at the bottom it's written exclusively by IZI, making lives easy. Okay, thank you. And at the back, if we see, it's written Shift Red, the perfect small. And then there are some of the things which it can do, so I'll just read them out to you. First is save your moments. So it has a camera and it's written virtual gimbal. And then if you move to the side, it's written hyper sensor fusion. Then there is a zero palette mode. Again, what on earth that is, I don't know. And then there's a one thumb controller, so you basically hold like this. And then if you look at the bottom left, it's written TIE, T-I-E. In the box there is the Shift drone, the controller and the ring, a battery and a USB-C cable. The bottom again, now the bottom right, QR code for the app. It's rated for 14+. Obviously no one follows that. If I move to the right now, MRP, which is written here, I focus, this 25,990, but I got it for 15,990 of Amazon. Again, links in the description, guys. So it does come sealed on both sides. So I need a pen knife for this too. So now let's just open it like that. Manuals, nothing else. Now this becomes unnecessary stuff. So let's keep the drone aside right now. There is the user manual, Shift Red user manual version 3.0. This is a pretty thick book. Then there's the quick start guide. Not need this, we know everything. And then now let's head to the main thing, which you pay money for. Okay. So the packaging is very nice. So let's take the drone out first. So I have reviewed DJI Tello in the past. The video will be linked here somewhere. It is quite better than that in looks, I must say. And then at the bottom, if you see, again there are sensors. Comes a little more expensive, around 3,000 more than the Tello. Now there's a USB-C charge jack, which is a big plus point here, because USB-C is in fashion now. And if you see, at the bottom of all the cordless motors, there are these kind of plastic things. There are legs, but yeah, obviously they're protected from grasses as well, so they'll not break if you crash or something. And at the front, you have a camera which is hidden, and there, I suppose there's a ring light next to it. Back, all the electronics are exposed, like some trigger in your hand. And now let's do the satisfying thing. Wow. So this is the controller. Again, USB-C. That's nice. So it does not need batteries. This is a big headache for every single person, changing batteries every time. There is a power button. Okay, so it just made some kind of sound. Okay, so this thing's on now. If I want to depict you how to wear it, so you wear it like this or this. Yeah, so like this. So like this, and then this, like this. A trigger. Just blast something off. Then if we move in, there is this is a USB Type-C cable. And the last, there should be the battery. Battery comes in its own case, like the Mavic Mini, which is nice. 1100 mAh 3.7 volt battery. So I think around 10-15 10-15 minutes it should be able to power it. So just before we go out and fly this thing, let's put in the battery and see how does it look. So you put the battery like this, battery's in, and this is the switch like this. You need to press it like this, and so this will indicate the back of the drone. And I think this should light up. Oh, and at night this will look like a transformer flying in the sky. So till our drone is charging, in the meantime we can download the app. So first of all, get your phone, you need to search Shift drone and then just click search, and this is the app you need to download. So again, the 4 dots here and then the 4 dots on the box. So this means this is the app. So you'll just click get. So now the app has been downloaded. So you just click open and confirm. So now to connect your drone to your phone, first of all you need to unplug it from charging and then click on this button at the back like that. Now that thing is done. Now go to your mobile and go to settings and then Wi-Fi. So when this kind of Wi-Fi appears, the name is Shift Drone and then the model number obviously. So when this appears, just click on it, and the password here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. That's it, and now click join. So after you have connected the drone, go to your app and then click on this option, connect to Shift. So as you can see, the live video has
2,000 years later.
One feature of this drone that I really liked was that I could modify the video settings as per my need. So I could change the frame rate, and I could also set the exposure value to some amount and lock it there, which is not available in the DJI Tello. But if I have to pick one drone between the DJI Tello and the Shift Red, I would pick the DJI Tello mainly for 3 reasons. First, it is cheaper than the Shift Red. Second, it is very easy to control, and third, it has better software than the Shift Red. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.